Welcome to our channel Flora and Fauna. Here we immerse ourselves in the amazing world of nature, study the diversity of living beings, explore their behavior, and learn interesting facts about plants and animals. We invite you to join us on an exciting journey through the wonders of our planet. Paradise decorated snake. The species is distributed in Thailand, Indonesia, Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, Myanmar, and the Philippines. It lives in tropical forests and rainforests of Southeast Asia. Its natural habitat includes dense vegetation such as trees and shrubs, as well as numerous streams, rivers, and ponds. Moving in defiance of the laws of gravity, it has more than 400 ribs and moves wherever it wants high above the ground. Someone is hiding here. And was perfectly camouflaged. The main prey of the swamp are insects living on trees. For example, ants. The snake approaches the target quietly and inexorably. And the lizard jumps into the air. The snake follows her. Flying is the most reliable way to survive in the air. Flying bacon learned to fly to hunt or escape predators. It is not known exactly why. But this lizard can use its paws as wings. Its length is only 20 centimeters. But it can cover a distance of up to 20 meters. The lobe-tailed gecko uses an unusual part of its body to fly. Under the limbs along the chest, it has well-developed flying membranes. And the lizard throws its body up and opens its membranes like wings. And the lizard flies through the air. Rich ecosystem. Signifies a fierce struggle for survival. Snakes devote their entire lives to this struggle. And the lizard blends into the surrounding landscape. The paradise ornamental snake grabs prey, like other non-venomous snakes. He also paralyzes her with a weak poison. The problem with this snake is that its prey lives high above the ground. A snake that chooses to live in trees must solve important problems every day. Firstly, it is difficult to move the body from branch to branch. The problem is getting worse. If there is too much distance between trees, the paradise, decorated snake chose flight. She jumps into the air using her body as a spring. Creating an S shape with the curves of her body flying through the air. She turns her body from side to side to maintain her balance. It mixes with the branches on the tail, pulling the body back, and then rushes forward. There are 5 types of flying snakes. And this is the best flyer of all. How did she learn to fly despite her obvious lack of wings? It's a secret. She opens her chest like a parachute and presses her back to her stomach. The main thing is to increase lift and reduce drag. This will smooth out the normally round body. After observing many snakes, we have established that a flying snake begins its flight by falling at an acute angle of 62 degrees, but maintains an angle of 13 degrees. It straightens its body and can cover long distances in flight. With a body 1 meter long, it can fly through the air up to 100 meters. Although staying on the ground is safer. Flight gave her the speed and freedom of a bird. The snake is the only animal that can fly indefinitely and without wings. It is still unknown why exactly snakes began to fly. Perhaps the mysterious evolutionary metamorphosis of snakes turning into flying creatures will forever remain a mystery. But one thing is clear, this amazing ability allows them to explore new territory, avoid predators, and perhaps find a new food source. What else hides the secrets of nature? As we continue to explore and try to understand, these incredible moments remind us of the endless diversity of the living world and that surprise is always around the next corner. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.